Good evening. Welcome to Colfax High School's Back to School Night for the spring 2021 semester. My name is Diederichs, and I teach the IB biology here at Colfax. So currently we are teaching the first semester of the IB biology course, which is a 2-year course. The second semester will be in fall of 2021. So I have juniors right now for their first year, and next year as seniors they will take the second year or second semester of IB biology. So the IB biology program is part of the diploma program here at Colfax, but it can also be taken as a standalone certificate course. So in order for students to complete their full IB diploma, they must take a course from each of the 6 groups, and IB biology falls under group 4, the experimental sciences. And then our diploma candidates must also take a theory of knowledge course. They must complete an extended essay in a subject area of their choosing, and they must complete their creativity, action, and service hours. So IB biology, the course objectives within this class are to demonstrate knowledge and understanding of facts, concepts, and terminology, methodologies, and techniques, and to be able to communicate scientific information. So it is very content heavy. It is a college level science course for science majors. So it's beyond just the biology that students would take as a general ed course requirement. It is the biology directed towards biology or other science subject majors their first year of college. We also aim to teach the students to apply their knowledge. So take these facts, concepts, and terminology and apply them to different experiences and scientific investigations. We also ask students to formulate, analyze, and evaluate scientific information. So we aim to teach them to create hypotheses, research questions, and predictions, and then to come up with methodologies and techniques to test those research questions and predictions, and come up with scientific explanations for the phenomena that we learn about in this course. So there's 3 main components of the course. There's the content, so there's a lot of deep content that we encounter in this course, but then there's also a heavy lab component where the students carry out labs. They're asked to create and design their own labs and then apply their learning of both the content and their lab skills to assessments. The course curriculum over the 2 years is pretty thorough. We cover everything that is not highlighted in blue during year 1, and the content that is highlighted in blue is what we cover in year 2. So currently we are working towards the end of our cell biology unit, and we will move on to molecular biology next, followed by genetics, ecology, nucleic acids and proteins, respiration and photosynthesis, and genetics this year as time allows, given our current reduced hours. That is the goal. I'm not sure if we will make it through all that content this year. Anything that we don't make it through will be shifted to next year, in which we cover the topics highlighted in blue. So evolution and biodiversity, human physiology, plant science, and human health and physiology. Within the IB biology course, in addition to the coursework, we have something called an internal assessment that will contribute to the students' score on the IB exam, the students that choose to take the IB exam in May of their senior year. So the internal assessment is an individual scientific investigation that the students design and carry out and write a full lab report on. So this counts as 20% towards their final IB score. And then the exams that they sit down and take in May, which are divided into 3 different papers, those make up the rest of their IB score, which would be on a scale of 1 to 7. So students looking to earn an IB diploma would need a cumulative of 24 points from all of their IB tests. Those looking to get a certificate and earn college credit for the IB biology test would need to pass with a 4 or 5, depending on the college that they attend. In terms of our grading within the course, I do ask that the students keep an interactive scientific notebook, and this is a way to track their learning. It's a way to foster organizational skills. It's a way for the students to have a record of all the content they have covered. And I found that these notebooks really help the students that go on to take a science course in college, because usually the content is familiar, and if they have it all together in an organized way, they are able to come back to it, and it really facilitates with their success at the next level. So that's 10% of their course grade. 20% is their lab skills and analysis of their lab findings, and then 70% of their course grade is on our summative assignments and assessments, and these come at the end of every unit, as well as some quizzes throughout each unit. If you have any questions on the course or anything related to IB, please feel free to email me or call me at any time. Email is always the best and fastest way to get a hold of me, and you can leave a number and I will give you a call back as soon as I can. Thanks for your time. Good night.